All right, so this intake was clogged. This entire cup is full of Cheeto, and that is what was on that screen. And unfortunately, I don't like when this happens. That's one of those little shrimp, little, what are they, copepod or whatever, crustacean, whatever, I don't know. I am not whatever that science is. But I don't like it when those guys get taken out of the tank. I could put them back in the tank, but I'd probably damage him trying to get him back in there, so, or injure him, I guess I should say. So I looked up in the pump after I took everything off of the screen, and if you have no idea what I'm talking about, I do apologize. I'm gonna make this a separate video. In the previous video, I'll link it in the card above as well as in the description. I had said that my flow didn't look quite right and that I may need to want to check my pump, and turns out, yeah, I needed to check the pump. So, man, all these little, I think these are technically snails. So annoying, so annoying. Alright, there's the screen. Put this over here. I got the skimmer over on the other part of the sink. Take the base off. Now, like right there's a bristle worm. They love hiding in here. Yep, there's quite a few more in there. And they're on the bottom now. So you got to watch yourself whenever you do this. There's another one right there. So I just try to run warm water. This is probably going to be loud for y'all. I apologize. Bristle worm lives matter, I promise. Just not when I'm cleaning. Alright, let's go ahead and take, ow! See? Those things hurt. Good Lord. Did I hear something snap on that? Man, I hope not. Nah, I think we're good. They were just stuck together real good. But it's kind of nasty in there. Let's see if I can see what y'all are seeing. Oh yeah, y'all can definitely see that. Okay. Watch that bristle one down. Okay. Pull this guy apart here. It was time. Definitely time. Alright. Let's go a little hotter than usual. Grab this guy. Little baby bottle cleaner. We have no babies. Alright, so I got down there in that ceramic bearing back in the back. Just want, I know you guys can't see in there, but you just want to look up in there, make sure that bearing's clean. He's not as clean as I like, so we're going to get down in there with one of these guys. And if you take and just kind of force all this forward, and then just kind of feed it in there where there's some bristles facing the front, it should get down in there. I don't like using that one, but that's what it's there for. Oh yeah, I got all kinds of clean down in there. Perfect. And all these little snails on the outside, if they're really bad, then I'll take care of them. they're not really all that bad on this one. What I do want to do is pop this back cover off. Usually there's bristle worms back here too. But nothing there this time. Alright, reduce flow, rinse, and then we're going to do front cover. On here. Anybody that has the thought of what does your wife think about you doing this at the kitchen sink, she really doesn't care. To be 100% honest, she does not care. Alright, well, I can't get that O-ring out, so we'll just clean off around it and we'll call that guy good. Or gal, you just assume that pump covers gender. I didn't mean to, sir. Alright. That's good enough for the girls I grew up with. Alright. Now, impeller. Impeller usually cleans up pretty quick. On this one, we got to get a straw brush out. Because you got to get in between here. Probably holding this way too freaking high for you guys. Let's see. Let me dry my knuckle off. Holy crap, you guys can't see nothing. Alright, hang on, let me dry my hands off. Sorry, first time doing this. Let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. That should get some kind of image for you. But anyway, got to get in here with a straw cleaner. Get in between the ceramic bushing and the magnet. And the rest of it, hit with a bigger brush because it goes faster. And this is a Jaybo DCP 10,000. So 10,000 liter per hour. I think it's like 2,300 gallons per hour or something like that. I don't know. Here on the screen, it's how many gallons per hour that is. And this one I can get kind of in between the impeller and his back plate. Alright. I can't remember if I used this one or the other one here, but we're going to go with this one. And clean the top first. Everybody in California is like, oh my god, look at all the water he's wasting. Actually, no, y'all just got like a wicked amount of rain, so you probably don't really care much anymore. But yes, so here's that cycle. I pump the water out of the ground. I use the water goes back into the ground filters the water. I pump the water out of the ground. I use the water goes back. It's a rinse and repeat. I know it doesn't technically work like that, but for this case, that's how it works. Alright, so if we put something white behind it, still dirty on that one lobe right there. So yeah, let me grab the other brush. Wait, can I do it with this one? Is this one small enough? Oh, it is. Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Okay. It's just barely small enough. And the camera's getting wet. Cool. First time that camera's ever gotten wet. I think. I don't know. Alright. Something white behind it again. Take a look. Alright, that's good enough. Mainly because I'm tired of leaning over this thing. Oh. You know, bad back and all. Now the O-ring actually stayed on the pump body. Excellent. So we're just putting plate back over, make sure it spins nice and free. Okay, great. Take this, we want that to go up, so go just like that. Clicks in place, excellent. Just gonna give this base a real quick wash here. Watch for bristle worms like that guy. If you've ever had fiberglass in your skin, that's kind of what bristle worms feel like. For those that don't know, anybody that owns a saltwater aquarium, you probably already know. Man. Alright, the best I can, I'm going to try to kind of clean out in this tube. Not 100% necessary. We ain't doing it with that one. Not 100% necessary, but I kind of like to do it for reasons. If you're wondering what this guy is, this actually goes to a carbon reactor. The only thing I ever run on this tank, so it's the only manifold I ever put on it. Alright. Take a look at what you guys are looking at again. Let me turn the water off, satisfy the California folk that value their water heavily. I'm going to knock these guys off because, well, one of them just poked me. Come on, baby. There's it on there. Just got to hold that mouth right. There we go. All right. There we go. Not too tight. Pump's done. We're just going to do a real quick job on the basket here. Don't really care. Knock off the big pieces. This is really only here for the impeller to keep it from getting like wickedly clogged. If you want, this does pop out and you can clean all that in there. Give it a quick rinse. Oh, there's another bristle worm right there. They hide everywhere, y'all. There is nowhere you can go to get away from them in a saltwater aquarium except open water. And there we go. I don't thread it on very far. And that's it. That is how I clean the Jaybo DCP 10,000 for my 90 gallon reef tank. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.